tech dentistry, what's that? So dentistry has changed a lot. What does technology with Keith and Associates look like when somebody comes in and is a patient?
We have grown a lot, as you said, as a dental industry. And our office really does want to harness technology to make dentistry as easy and pain-free as possible, as well as predictable. So we use scans for taking records, we take photos, we do a lot with digital dentistry rather than the olden days of the goopy impressions and the developing our x-rays on film. It's all much faster and smoother and predictable now.
Wow, that's incredible. So I've heard about this X-Guide dynamic navigation. That's a mouthful. What is this?
So X-Guide dynamic navigation is a instrument that we use when it comes to dental implant surgery. So we at Keith Associates are a X-Guide Center of Excellence. We're, I think, one of the only ones in the Midwest to have that recognition. And X-Guide really helps us plan implant surgeries to be as accurate as possible.
Wow. So that means you must have a lot of training in this. To be the only one in the Midwest, you've invested a lot in training everybody.
We pride ourselves as an office that does stay on top of the advances in technology, whatever we can do to help make things more accessible and easy for our patients.
That's incredible. So tell me, how does 3D imaging change the way you diagnose or treat a patient?
X-rays are taking a 3D object and squishing it into 2D. You lose a lot in doing that. So 3D imaging can really help us better diagnose. We can diagnose earlier and more accurately, and it helps us be the best practitioners for our patients that we can be.
Wow, that's incredible too. Well, there's so much technology, but then lasers. Tell me about the laser technology that you guys use.
We use lasers in many different ways, whether it comes to treating bacteria in the gum tissue or helping cold sores. You can actually use them to help speed up the process of a cold sore.
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Learn something every day. So how does all of this affect the patient experience? Is it less pain, faster visits? All of this kind of stuff?
A little bit of both, actually. So technology has helped us take a dental crown from being a multi-visit appointment to having it done in one day. It's helped make things a lot less painful because we know what we're doing and we have the ability to dress rehearse things before we kind of get into the nitty-gritty.
Okay, so does every dentist office have this?
I would love if every dentist office had this. We pride ourselves on having a lot of this technology at our fingertips, and it, as I said earlier, makes us feel like we are doing the best we can be and being the best practitioners for our patients, but not yet. Maybe
it sounds like you're cutting edge.
We try to be.
This feels really advanced.
Advanced, but also well-backed by science. So we don't jump into things unless we know we have the results to back it up.
Wow. Okay, what would you say to someone whose last visit was 10 years ago?
Dentistry has come such a long way. It's less scary, less noisy, and we want to try and make things as easy as possible. A lot of that comes with the technology advances, but a lot of that just comes with our philosophy of trying to prioritize your comfort as a patient.
Wow. Well, thank you.
Thank you.